Walk into the store just to grab one thing. Next thing I know, got a cart that's bling. Glitter yarn, oh what a find. Wait, do I have this? Never mind. Started a scarf, then I made a wreath. Halfway through, ooh, shiny beads. Resin stickers, paint galore. Guess I need just one more. Squirreling away, oh what a sight. So many projects, not one in sight. Finished, that is. Craft rooms bursting, can't find the floor. But guess what? I just bought more. Jump from sewing to crochet, then ooh, pottery today. Scrapbooks half done, candles too. Macrame? Oh, I should do too. Saw some fabric, had to buy. Forgot I had 10 rolls nearby. Brush in one hand, glue gun in tow. Oops, what was I doing though? Swirling away, oh what a sight. So many projects, not one in sight. Finish, that is. Craft rooms bursting, can't find the floor. But guess what? I just bought more. Creative minds, we sparkle bright, making chaos, but it feels so right. We may not finish, but that's okay. We're fun, we're fab, we'll craft all day. ADHD craft